Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so today I am continuing the series of class 10th, chapter number 1, that is real numbers. Okay, so I am continuing this chapter after so many days. Okay, there was a break of so many days. Now let's continue this chapter, that is chapter 1, real numbers. In the first part of this chapter, we were doing fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In that, I have already explained about that fundamental theorem of arithmetic states that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, where the prime factorization is unique and order does not matter. Now, in this class, we will be doing LCM, HCF. Okay, so we will be doing LCM and HCF. First of all, what is LCM? What is HCF? LCM HCF क्या है? LCM. What is LCM? Least common multiple. LCM is least common multiple. LCM लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल से क्या मतलब है हमारा? लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऐसा नंबर होता है जिसको गिवन नंबर्स डिवाइड कर सके और वो लीस्ट हो. एग्जाम्पल 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the given numbers. Now its least common multiple will be 6. Why? As 6 is the least number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay. Now next is HCF. HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. HCF is highest common factor. Means this is the common factor which is highest. Common factor means ऐसा number जो divide करता हो given numbers को. जो क्या करता हो? Divide करता हो given numbers को और क्या हो? Highest हो. Example. Let's take 2 and 12. Its HCF will be 2. Why? 2 is the highest number which divides both 2 and 12. Okay. So we can also write it as ऐसा number जो given number से divisible हो और लीस्ट हो. तो हमारे पास जो LCM है वो क्या हो गया? ऐसा नंबर जो गिवन नंबर से डिविजिबल भी हो और लीस्ट भी हो. कैसे? 2 और 3 से डिविजिबल क्या है? 6 डिविजिबल है और क्या है? लीस्ट है. लीस्ट क्यों है? क्योंकि 12 भी होता है, 18 भी होता है. लाइक दिस देयर आर इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स. नाउ हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऐसा नंबर जो गिवन नंबर को डिवाइड करे, जो गिवन नंबर को डिवाइड करे और हाईएस्ट भी हो. तो हमारे पास HCF क्या हो गया? ऐसा नंबर जो गिवन नंबर को क्या करे? डिवाइड. 2 डिवाइड्स 2 and 12 बोथ, और वो क्या हो जाए? हाईएस्ट भी हो. So this is the definition of LCM and HCF, that is least common multiple and highest common factor. ये क्या है हमारे पास? लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल मीन्स ऐसा नंबर जो गिवन नंबर से डिविजिबल हो और क्या हो? लीस्ट भी हो. और ऐसा नंबर जो गिवन नंबर को डिवाइड करे और हाईएस्ट भी हो. क्लियर? नाउ ये तो बेसिक हमारे पास क्या हो गई? डेफिनेशंस हो गई. अब बात आती है कि अगर हमारे पास दो नंबर्स गिवन हैं तो उसमें हम LCF और HCF क्या करेंगे? फाइंड कैसे कर सकते हैं? मीन्स अगर कोई दो नंबर्स हमें गिवन हो तो उसमें हम LCF और HCF फाइंड कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल LCF फाइंड करते टाइम हम क्या लेते हैं और HCF फाइंड करते टाइम हम क्या लेते हैं? LCM में हम लेते हैं लार्जेस्ट पावर ऑफ ऑल प्राइम फैक्टर्स. LCM में क्या लेते हैं? लार्जेस्ट पावर ऑफ ऑल प्राइम फैक्टर्स. और HCF में क्या लेते हैं? स्मॉलेस्ट पावर of common prime factors. एटलीस्ट एलसीएम में क्या लेते हैं, लार्जेस्ट पावर ऑफ ऑल प्राइम फैक्टर्स, और एचसीएफ में स्मॉलेस्ट पावर ऑफ कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स। अब स्टूडेंट्स को क्या लगता है इन दोनों में डिफरेंस सिर्फ लार्जेस्ट और स्मॉलेस्ट का है? नहीं, इनमें डिफरेंस ऑल प्राइम्स और कॉमन प्राइम्स का भी है। मींस इन एलसीएम वी यूज्ड टू टेक ऑल द प्राइम फैक्टर्स having the largest power, and in LCM we only take common prime factors having the smallest power. Let's understand this by an example. Let's take an example. 18, 21. We have to find HCF and LCM. So before finding LCM and HCF, we want prime factors, which is obtained by prime factorization. Now doing prime factorization of 18. 2 9s are 3, 3, 3, 1. And what is prime factorization of 21? It would be 3, 7, 7, 1. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 2. And what is prime factorization of 21? It's 3 raised to power 1 into 7 raised to power 1. So this is prime factorization of 18 and this is prime factorization of 21. First of all, here 2 is present but 2 is not present in this prime factorization. Here 7 is present but 7 is not present here. So first of all we will make the prime factorization same. Same कैसे बनाएंगे? अब यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास 3 नहीं है, हम क्या कर देंगे, यहाँ पे 3 यहाँ पे 3 तो है. Now this is prime factorization of 18 and 21. That is 2 raised to. Now this is prime factorization of 18 and 21. That is 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 2, and 21 is 3 raised to power 1 into 7 raised to power 1. Now you can see that 3 is common, but 2 is present here but 2 is not present here, and 7 is present here but 7 is not present here. So first of all we will make same prime factors in both the numbers. Same अब कैसे बनाएंगे, यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास 7 नहीं है तो हम क्या ले लेंगे, 7 raised to power 0. We can take 7 raised to power 0 in multiplication. Why? Any number रेज टू पावर 0 इज ऑलवेज 1. किसी भी नंबर की अगर हम पावर 0 ले लें तो हमेशा 1 ही होता है, तो 1 से तो हम मल्टीप्लाई कर ही सकते हैं ना किसी भी नंबर को. एनी नंबर मल्टीप्लाइड विद 1 इज सेम. सो वी कैन टेक 7 रेज टू पावर 0 इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन हियर. नाउ 3 and 7 is present here but 2 is not present, so we can multiply this by 2 raised to power 0. So first of all we will make prime factors same. Now here comes the concept of HCF and LCM. HCF क्या था, what was HCF? HCF क्या है हमारे पास, स्मॉलेस्ट पावर और जो कॉमन भी हो प्राइम फैक्टर्स उनकी. अब सबसे पहले कॉमन क्या है, कॉमन तो हमारे पास सारे ही हैं क्योंकि 2, 7, 3 तीनों में ही है, हमने कॉमन बना दिए उन्हें. तो इसमें से हमें क्या चाहिए, इनकी स्मॉलेस्ट पावर चाहिए. यहाँ 2 रेज़ टू पावर 1 है, यहाँ 2 रेज़ टू पावर 0 है, सो स्मॉलेस्ट क्या होगी, 2 रेज़ टू पावर 0. नाउ हियर 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2 है, यहाँ 3 रेज़ टू पावर 1 है, स्मॉलेस्ट 3 रेज़ टू पावर 1. नाउ 7 रेज़ टू पावर 0, 7 रेज़ टू पावर 1. So 7 raised to power 0 is common. Now we will solve. 2 raised to power 0, 1. 3 raised to power 1, 3. 7 raised to power 0, 1. 1 into 3 into 1. So answer will be 3. So HCF for 18 and 21 will be 3. Now we will find LCM. In LCM what I have explained. We will take largest power. किसकी largest power? All the prime factors. So it would be 2, 2. So 2 raised to power 1 is the largest. Now 3 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 is largest. Now 7 raised to power 1, 7 raised to power 0. So 7 raised to power 1 is largest. Now it would be 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 18 into 7. So I'm writing it here. I'm solving it here. It would be LCM is equal to 18 into 7. It would be 126. Now here HCF is 3 and LCM is 126. So in this way we are able to find LCM and HCF. Okay. Now we will take more questions of this topic. Yes. So there is one more question from NCERT of class 10th. That is, we have to find LCM and HCF of 56 and 81. 56 and 81. First of all, we will do prime factorization. Prime factorization of 56. It would be 2 to the 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. And what about 56? It would be 81. Sorry, what would be the prime factorization of 81? It would be 3, 2s are 6, 3 7s are 3, 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. So this is the prime factorization of 56 and 81. Now 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, that is 2 raised to power 3 into 7 raised to power 1. No doubt in this? Okay, now 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4. Now we can see that 3 raised to power 4 is present here, but there is no 3 present here. So we will write here 3 raised to power 0. And 2 raised to power 0 will be added here, multiplied here, and 7 raised to power 0 will multiplied here. Why? Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Now what would be the HCF? HCF क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे बेटा हमारा? HCF में स्मॉलेस्ट पावर लेते हैं, तो स्मॉलेस्ट पावर 2 raised to power 0 here, 2 raised to power 3, तो 2 raised to power 0 into 7 raised to power 0, 7 raised to power 1, 7 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 0. So here answer would be 1. Why? 1 into 1 into 1, 1. So HCF would be 1 over here. Now we will find LCM. LCM. So here LCM would be 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 0. So 2 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 0. So it would be 3 raised to power 4. 7 raised to power 0, 7 raised to power 1. So it would be 7 raised to power 1. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 3 raised to power 4 is 81 into 7. We will multiply this. 7 8 ja 56. I am writing here 56 into 81. We will multiply 56 by 81. So it would be 48. 8 5 is 40. 44. 6. 13. 5. 4 5 3 6 would be the LCM. So 4 5 3 6 would be LCM. Okay, so HCF is 1 and LCM is 4 5 3 6. So this is our question. We have found the LCM and HCF with the help of prime factorization. Okay. Now the next question. Yes. Now the next question, we will find LCM and HCF of 3 numbers. Till now we have solved for 2 numbers only, and now we will solve for 3 numbers. Find LCM and HCF of 15, 18 and 21. Okay. So first of all we will do the prime factorization. Prime factorization of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1. What is prime factorization of 18? 2 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1. What is prime factorization of 21? 3 7s are 7, 1s are. Okay. Now prime factorization of 15 is 3 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 1. Prime factorization of 18, 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 2. Prime factorization of 21, 3 raised to power 1 into 7 raised to power 1. Now we can see that here 3 and 5 is present but not 2 and 7. So we will multiply by 2 raised to power 0 and 7 raised to power 0. Now here 2 and 3 is present but not 5 and 7. So 5 raised to power 0 into 7 raised to power 0. Here 3 and 7 is present but not 2 and 5. So 2 raised to power 0 into 5 raised to power 0. Now we will find HCF and LCM. What is HCF? Common factors having smallest power. Here 2 raised to power 0 is smallest. 3. Here 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 1. So 3 raised to power 1 is smallest. 5 raised to power 0, 1 and 0. So 5 raised to power 0 is smallest. 7 raised to power 0, 0 and 1. So 7 raised to power 0 is smallest. 1, 3, 1, 1. So HCF would be 3. Now we will find LCM. LCM क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? सबसे पहले हम LCM में क्या लेते हैं? लार्जेस्ट पावर. We will take the largest power. 3 raised to power 1. 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 1. So it would be 3 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 0, 0. So 5 raised to power 1 into 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. So 2 raised to power 1 is largest. 7 raised to power 0, 0, 1. So 7 raised to power 1. It would be 9 5s are 45 into 7 2s are 14. So 45 into 14. What is 45 into 14? 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 18 into 45. It would be 0, 13 and 6. So 630 would be LCM. So 630 हमारा क्या हो गया LCM, and what is HCF? It is 3. So LCM and HCF, we have find the LCM and HCF of 3 numbers with the help of prime factorization. Clear? So this is all about the use of prime factorization, or we can say fundamental theorem of arithmetic to find LCM and HCF. Now there is one more concept of relation between HCF and LCF. Relation between LCM and HCF. Relation between LCM and HCF. There is a relation between LCM and HCF, that is, if two numbers are given, that is A and B, two numbers A and B, and its LCM and HCF is given, LCM and HCF, then LCM and HCF is given, then product of numbers, that is A into B, will be equal to LCM into HCF. Means if two numbers are given, that is A and B, then product of numbers will be equal to LCM and HCF. We used to see various questions related to this formula as well. Okay, let's take a question. Let two numbers be 96 and 404. Its HCF is 101. Find their LCM. Here in this question, two numbers are given, that is 96 and 404. And its HCF is given. We have to find the LCM. So without doing prime factorization, with the help of the given data, we can find the LCM. See how? A is equal to the first number, that is 96, into 404 is equal to HCF. LCM we have to find, and HCF is given to be 101. So LCM would be equal to 96 into 404 divided by 101. It would be 4. So now answer would be 96 into 4, that is 384. So LCM is equal to 384 with the help of this formula. Okay, so we can use this formula. We can use this formula to find LCM or HCF for the number which is not given. Means out of this 4, one term will not be given, and we have to find that by putting the value of the 3 terms. Okay, so this was all about LCM and HCF. Now in the next class we will do proving irrationality, that is, prove that root 2 is irrational, prove that root 3 is an irrational number, like this. That is also application of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, like this. So in today's class we have covered, first of all, definition of LCM and HCF. Second, how to find LCM and HCF. And third, the relation between LCM and HCF. What is the definition of LCM and HCF? LCM क्या है? एक ऐसा लीस्ट नंबर जो गिवन नंबर से डिविजिबल हो, दैट इज द LCM. HCF क्या है? एक ऐसा नंबर जो गिवन नंबर को डिवाइड करे. ओके, नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड LCM and HCF? हाउ टू फाइंड LCM and HCF. LCM कैसे फाइंड आउट होता है? LCM क्या है? हाईएस्ट or the largest power of the given factors. And what is HCF? Least power of the common factors. Okay, relation, here it is relation, product of the numbers is equal to their LCM and HCF. Okay, so this was all about today's lecture. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about proving of irrationality or proof of irrational numbers. Thank you.